Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, we're able to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm going to start with today's news. Yesterday I do some kind of neighborhood watch, so I can check our rivals because West Ham play at the same time Tottenham Hotspur play against Southampton, and that one be the most important one where I can monitor. That's why I let you know what I find. So Spurs lose against Southampton as it stands. Arsenal dey for 6th position for table and Spurs come dey for 7th. And Arsenal and Spurs come dey the same point after they don't play the same amount of games, so be 21 games. So at the same time, if you check table, you go see say Man U don dey 5th with 3 points above us, but we get 2 outstanding match to Man U. At the same time, West Ham sef dem win their match yesterday, so West Ham don dey 4th for table and dem come dey 4 points above us, and we sef we dey 3 match outstanding to West Ham. West Ham don play 3 match above us and they get 4 points above us, so we can't get like 3 outstanding match. So everything be dey confusing, but if you look this table why I dey show you like this now, you see say everything dey very clear. I like am as our rivals dey drop points. Don't forget say Man U don first drop their own points against Burnley. At the same time, Tottenham Hotspur come lose. So make you watch that match. They don't even do Southampton Ojoro now. But they're going to win 2, and before you know, Southampton give them back. Everything come turn 3-2. And then they watch back, jump up, and say, this top 4 battle, oh my God, sweet go. So everything done there for our hand now. The onus lies with Arsenal. We'll go for Wolves from Molyneux Stadium. We'll let them know say we know be their mates. We'll give them back. You get, we'll beat Wolves. It will make sense. Draw, I don't want to draw, we'll just win. We go there anyhow, we'll fight, battle, scatter everywhere. We'll make sure say we win. Even if na 1-0, we'll collect a win. It will go a long way for this top 4 battle. I think very happy. At the same time, for media setting, they're going to ask Arteta about Aubameyang. This Aubameyang talk saying Arteta be the reason we make am come out. Arteta dey at fault, get Arteta the punisher and they give am wahala. So they come ask Arteta say, Baba, wetin dey sup? Wetin Aubameyang talk? Wetin get to talk? So Baba come talk say, so wetin Aubameyang talk? Na your opinion be that, you get, and the better thing to do is to respect his opinion, you get. If he talk say that maybe the issue, no yawa, but na his own opinion be that, you get. Say from the way him take see am, na him be the solution to the problem, and make people no dey talk say na him pursue Aubameyang. Say no be him, say na Arsenal, you get, na collective decision. No be say na him just come outside say, hey, you are no longer playing for Arsenal again. Say no, you get. Say the guy na Arsenal player, no be Arteta player, you get. Na Arsenal give am contract, no be Arteta give am contract. But if they try to demarcate himself, let us know say no be me dey run things, you get. Anything wey I talk na collective decision, you get. Na wetin the hierarchy, the Gaspar, the Richard Garlic, all of us don put head together with the senior leaders in the team. Everybody know wetin dey sup, you get. So all those guys don say na Arteta, no be me, na collective. Why don't they explain? You have to watch the press conference and say, okay, no yawa na, move on. Michael Owen sef don come outside for pundit duty. So Michael Owen come dey predict the Wolves versus Arsenal match. So Baba come talk say in dey see 1-0, Wolves winning 1-0. So I don't know wetin una sef dey see. So Baba talk say this match go dey very tough because Wolves they need to go Europe. So wetin in dey see na Wolves beating Arsenal 1-0. You know say Owen na one of our pundits wey we love to hate. Everybody, Arsenal fans, they love to hate this guy because the guy know they always talk something positive about Arsenal. Anytime wey dem give am opportunity make him predict wetin Arsenal go play, he go always talk say Arsenal go lose, and he no fail us today. He don come outside again come talk the same thing. So anyhow wey the match dey go now, we go know who go win, whether na Arsenal go win abi na Wolves go win. Well, me I no know wetin be my own prediction because me I dey see like 2-0 for this game. Arsenal knocking them 2-0. I don't know wetin una sef see because everybody don dey come outside dey talk wetin dem dey see. Yesterday na so whether na who talk, I know one person talk say dem go beat Arsenal 2-0. So I no understand. Everybody just dey talk their own predictions. So wetin be na own prediction? Daily Mail, wey be one of our monitoring spirits, they don come outside come dey let us know say Alexander Isak say the guy go like to join Arsenal, but as long as Arsenal fit guarantee am Champions League football at the end of the summer, because as e dey like this, e dey desperate to play for that competition. You no fit come dey play EPL with us, you get. But as long as we go Europe, all this kind of Isaac, anybody with the reason they will come join. Now if we no go Europe, they no go wan come join us. But say we dey go Europe, guarantee Shola either Europa or Champions, they go come join us now. That one no talk. I'm of a media setting. When they ask Martinelli, say, Baba, what do you make you come be hard worker? Like you dey work hard every match, you always run against player, direct runs. Why you dey do all these things? So Baba come talk say, say this thing don be from the time when Papa give her that motivation. Say, Papa sit am down. Come dey let am know say, my son. See, even if sometimes like I know dey score for match, you get. But as long as you dey put in the work, you are working very very hard. Even if you no score, people go see your work ethic. They go know say, this guy dey work very very hard. This guy is a good player. That is why any match wey Martinelli play, even if he no score, you sef you go come outside say, omo, oh boy, you dey work hard gan. That's why the guy win December and January player of the month for Arsenal, because him work ethic really dey visible. You can't hide it again. Everybody dey see am. Na something wey dey audible to the deaf and visible to the blind. You will see it. At the same time, they come dey ask Mikel Arteta for media settings, say wetin make una no sign? You know, some people don dey talk plenty things, say Arsenal no replace Aubameyang, Arsenal no do this one, Arsenal no sign this one. Wetin make una no sign player? So Arteta come talk say, first of all, say wan say a big thank you to Edu Gaspar and the team. Say dem try all their best and they did very well. And another thing we wan make people know be say, see, they no wan just rush and buy for the wrong reasons again. Don't just buy for buying sake because people say you should buy, you don't buy. See, the reasons were not good. So the current reason I've said it will make sense for them wait after 17 games at the end of the summer when a bigger transfer window will come aside, and then they will come find who they will take replace of the target. Now they don't let some people go, so it will make sense. They don't reduce the wage cap. No new player will come now and say I want to earn £350,000 after Aubameyang is earning that. Nobody they earn £350,000 for Arsenal again. So anybody they come in will not say nobody will offer you that kind of money. You go collect that 200, 250, and the normal level be that. So they don't reduce their wage cap, and at the same time, they don't just want to buy for the wrong reasons. For those who say they don't buy, as if say player even they available. Also for one Arsenal group where they watch yesterday, I know they read comment. Somebody come type one epistle, say Arsenal no sign, they don't replace Aubameyang, they don't do this, blah 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 blah. I ask Baba one simple question. Baba mention one player where they available where Arsenal no sign. Make I bust your brain, make I clear your doubts. Baba no reply again. Most of us just want sign. Who was available? Nobody. Now Isaac won't call, now Dominic, and Jonathan David, who you won't call? Nobody. Sign. At the same time, they call they ask Mikel Arteta about Tomiyasu. We say Tomiyasu don't get injured before that their lengthy break, when they go to Dubai, go flex. So they call they ask and say, after the guy go play for Wolves. So Baba come talk say, what is up? They say, you know, say the guy get calf injury then, but he don't train very well, he don't recover, he don't train hard. Say today, they go know whether they go draft him in again. Maybe that kind of late fitness test. They will come check the guy whether they go play the guy, but from what we know now, Tomiyasu has recovered. He's training very, very hard with the team, and we need all the best steps we can get. But if Tomiyasu no fit make this game, may they no rush am, may no go aggravate a calf injury before go here now. Go turn to another 6 months out or 1 month out. May they carry Cedric Suarez, throw him there. But if he don't dey available, if he don't dey ready, they know yawa, may they draft him in. Still on the media setting because they don't want to make Arteta go, so they call they ask and say, so for now who be the Arsenal captain? Say they still say na Lacazette you won't give. Say may confirm, so be Arsenal captain for now. So Baba come talk say for now Lacazette is still Arsenal captain, and then I go be the captain from now to the end of the summer. Then maybe if he get injured or he come out, if he give am to the deputy, I don't know who the deputy. Maybe na Kylian, maybe na Xhaka, I don't know who will be deputy. But from now to the end of the season, they will find one person they will give deputy. But it makes sense and make them move on. Even say the question they ask Arteta say, so now who go dey strike, who go dey bring the firepower? Because people dey talk say na no get Aubameyang go dey score again. People even forget that Aubameyang is not even our highest goal scorer. Our highest goal scorer is Emile Smith Rowe, and the guy even named Benjamin. He's not even good enough to break into the first team. So Baba come talk say for now, people will get the responsibility of the firepower na Lacazette and Nketiah, and at the same time they have other dimensions, other mix that they can use. Don't forget that they can still use Martinelli as a top 9. Don't forget, Pepe can still come in as a false 9. Different dimension depending on who we are playing and the situation of the game. You get what we need. You get the kind of game episode with the people they struggle. We need goal. If you just pack everybody, say, oh yeah, attack 4-2-4, and you know different formation, any which way. But more than watch, and another thing we say, I did very happy say that kind of party Xhaka. They don't overcome their red card suspension, so they are available for this match. And the battle you are going to watch in this match now maybe Xhaka Partey versus Ruben Neves. You know, Ruben Neves is another person who say the reasons we won't collect from Wolves at the end of the season. But this is a perfect audition for those of you that don't know him. Make una see how the guy they play. Me say if I watch the match, I go cool down, scamper, man know which quality this guy will come add to our team. So na perfect audition for us to watch Ruben Neves today. Another information I say make I come bring good now about this called Zuma. Don't forget say yesterday I tell una say Zuma kicking cat. Everybody going to para for him. Even Adidas self don't come out their sponsorship for your hand. So at the same time, it never end there. RSPCA don't come collect room the cats when Zuma the train for house. They don't carry 2 cats come out. At the same time, 150,000 people come sign petition say make police investigate the matter At the same time, police come and say they go investigate the matter. They don't investigate them. And at the same time, I don't forget say West Ham fine am 2 weeks salary. They collect money from your hand. They fine am. So na internal fine. Say because Baba kick in car to get the whole world. Everybody call the para for that. Some people say they go beat am. Oh man, I don't understand. But when I don't forget, say get one guy who I mentioned his name yesterday, Indika Evans. One talk say today I will give you more information about the guy. The guy in an Eintracht Frankfurt defender and center back in the play. And at the same time, many clubs they scam the guy matter, and the guy will be free agent at the end of the summer. So Arsenal follow for one of the suitors. Which is the reason the guy say at the end of the summer they would like to carry the guy. So now at the end of the summer now we will know how this story will go. So we can move on to the next story. Paul Messi don't come as I can't predict you say Arsenal and Wolves now 1-1 in the see them say them go play. So now 1-1 draw. Now they expected them go play. So for this match because the match will be very tough. Because the way Wolves they play, we say Wolves they get good defense. So waiting they see and say they will draw 1-1. Well, no yawa for that one. At the same time, Arsenal now completes the signing of Matt Turner. I don't forget say Matt Turner a new revolution goalkeeper for USA. So Arsenal don't pay the money, £7.5 million. So what's it remain? I made the guy can do medical and a work permit, and this will happen at the end of the summer. And what in this news mean? We say at the end of the summer, Ben Leno is leaving because Ben Leno said not continue to become a Benjamin community member, one day deputy to Ramsdale. The guy in a good keeper when he go fit for Benjamin, he would like to move, go try and lock for another place. Well, wish him the best of luck. Oyamo enter match of the day. So Wolves versus Arsenal. Wolves will host Arsenal for Molineux Stadium tonight. Oyamo run check their head-to-head. For the last 5 games for Molineux Stadium, Wolves don't win 2, Arsenal win 3. Last season, Wolves win us 2-1 for year. This match that must win for Arsenal if they want stamp their footprints for the top 4 position. Arsenal no get any injury concern so far. However, now only Tomiyasu na dey down to but Baba fit still play today. Wolves aims and objectives na to go Europe this season. So this match now must win for them and go dey very very tough. So my dear football lovers, this match, when I keep an open mind, anything can happen. But when I cheer our darling Arsenal Football Club, we will make sure so we win this match, solidify our position for that top 4, and make sure so we stay there and give them more pressure so that by the end of the season we must finish for that top 4 inshallah and in Jesus' name. And I say it will be. So if you know what yesterday updates, so check the thumbnail for the top left corner of the screen. We'll see them. Click and make get all the news concerning Arsenal. So it's CHUKS signing out. Have a great day and get them out.